Yo, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create this clean cutout transition effect in After Effects. My name is Jason, or Strive Visuals, and let's hop into this tutorial. Starting off, I already have two clips right here, so I'm actually gonna go like right here. This is all you need. So it's just gonna be this first clip, then the second clip right here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna start separating our clips right here. So we just need around our clips 1, 2, 3, and our fourth final clip right here. I'm gonna go underneath our clip on the bottom and just delete it right there. Then the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go right here and I'm actually gonna start masking out our clip. So I'm gonna start from the middle right here. Try not to be like fully perfect, but at least have it so it's kind of symmetrical. What I'm actually gonna do is I kind of messed up already. I'm just gonna delete all those and extend it out right here, and then it's gonna go right here. Let's do that. Then on our second clip, we already have our masked out effect right here. And if you really want to, you can go ahead and extend it. Maybe I think right there is good actually. Go to our second part of our clip right here, or our second clip, and I'm actually gonna extend it all the way up over here. Oops, it's gonna be our second one over here. So let me go right here. I'm gonna move it right here. I'm gonna delete that and extend it out. So once after we have something like this, I'm gonna go to the second part. I'm just gonna mask it out right here. So this low key might be kind of tricky at times. Let's see if I can get it done kind of good at least. Yep, and I actually did it clean this time, because like sometimes I'll be fucking it up low-key. Like if I undo it right here, and then like let's say I were to mask it out once again, it could look all messed up, like sometimes like right there. It just depends at times. So just gonna go ahead and redo it. Get rid of this mask. Save a project. Then I'm just gonna redo it right here. Then I'm gonna go to our clip right here, and I'm gonna get rid of our mask effect. And yeah, just like that, we get this nice and clean mask cutout transition effect right here. So kind of like you can see right here how it starts off, just slowly coming into the video. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna duplicate our video right here. Then I'm gonna zoom into our subject's face right here, and I'm just gonna mask it out. You can just like some pretty clean cuts. So I'm gonna mask this out like right here. It's gonna be used for this part at least. And I'm just gonna start, you can see right here, I'm just gonna start cutting up our clip. And then I'm gonna get rid of this mask. And I'm gonna remask it again. So something like this. What I'm doing here is I'm just masking out our faces right here. So many ways to do this. It's a very creative effect. So once we're done masking out all of the faces, I'm going to go ahead and add a fill onto our first mask right here. And I'm just going to add white. And then I'm actually going to close this out. And you can see we get like a nice white flash. Then I can go to our clip right here and I can scale it up. I can move it. It looks pretty weird. It's kind of brain rot a bit. Looks pretty dumb. So you get something like this. Then I can go ahead and add another fill and make it to white. But if you want to, I think you can even add invert. I wonder if that'll look pretty good actually. I haven't tried it yet. Let's see. Yeah, that looks pretty good. It gives off a nice unique look to it. I can go and cut this out and add invert onto the second one right here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add a tritone effect. Then I can even make it like black. And we get this pretty cool effect right here. Once after you're done masking out all your clips right here with the faces, I'm gonna make an adjustment layer. Then I'm actually gonna go to animation presets, use the presets, and I'm gonna open up our grunge CRT essentials, and I'm gonna add the white phosphorus CRT effect. And just like that, within one click, our footage gets transformed completely and just looks overall nice and really crazy. If you really like how this preset looks, I recommend checking out the pack. The pack itself comes with 40 customizable presets to help transform your footage, ranging from your CRT effects to your own flicker effects to your essential grunge effects. So if you want to save time editing and make your edits or even music videos stand out and just look crazy, I recommend checking out the pack. It's going to be the first link in the description below. And make sure to use code YT5 when you buy the pack to get $5 off at checkout. And yeah, again, like, I really recommend checking out this pack. It has some awesome effects, and I'll show you guys some of them right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just duplicate our clip, not a clip, our adjustment layer. I'm gonna turn off this adjustment layer right here. Go right to grunge flickers, and we have multiple effects right here. I can add the deep fried flicker one. Close this out right here. And then just like that, let it play. Sometimes our clip may look weird. It's just depending on how dark your clip is. So if I were you, you can go to our curves right here. And you can even mess with it yourself. So let's see. I got something like this. Sometimes it depends on your clip on how light or dark it is. But sometimes clips are pretty dark. And sometimes the effects might not look the best, so that's where you either add curves or exposure to bring up the light in your clip or even make it darker. I'm going to go over here to Grunge Essentials. I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite effects from this pack. I've really never seen anyone make this effect before. It's going to be the 4-color noise transition effect. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag it onto here. And yeah, just like that, it comes with a really crazy 4-color noise transition effect right here. It has a nice white flash in the beginning and it dies out, and it's even customizable. So like I can go to my 4-color gradient, and let's say I want a green color, I can make it green, and let's say I can make it black right here. Like it's fully customizable. So go ahead and check out the pack. And yeah, every single preset in this pack is fully customizable. I recommend checking out the pack. And yeah, that's all for today. If you liked the video, go ahead and like, subscribe, or even leave a comment on what you guys want to see next. I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep working hard and keep on staying creative. Peace out.